let's get to Netflix. For those of you stuck around in the after hours, it was completely illiquid right after they reported, but then started to trend, so we traded on the long side. Worked out pretty well. And is Han talking too loud for you guys? Can you hear me okay? If he is, let me know. I'll tell him to take it down a couple levels. Okay, good. So basically what happened was the number came out, it was fine. They talked about raising prices, which can make people jittery because of back what happened in 2011. But in this case, they learned from their mistake back then. They're phasing in. The existing subscribers won't be impacted for 1 to 2 years. The service is already very inexpensive, so I would think the market would accept that those price raises would be additive to their bottom line over the next few years. Then people who sign up now, tough luck. Maybe there's a little grace period, but if you sign up, you're going to have to pay 9, 10, which to me is still pretty much a bargain. But getting back to the price action, 375 was trouble in the after hours. 376 has been trouble in the pre-market. Remember when we play these momentum names, the Netflixes, the Teslas, the Amazons, what we tend to see is quite often they'll have some sort of quick dropout right on the open. And then we gauge those dropouts kind of based on what the after hours price action was and then the pre-market the next day. So pre-market acting a little bit stronger than it was in the after hours yesterday. So looking for a little bit less severe of a dropout. I need to be mindful that it can be a little bit more severe, so that if you do buy it kind of at these first levels, which to me is, I want to say 370, 369 here, to be small, because they have a tendency to then overshoot, even if this is going up to 380, 385, they'll shake some people out right on the open before it rips to the upside. The most severe kind of profit-taking move that I would expect would be down to about 360, and that would be like an area where I'd be most aggressive. Low 360s, 362 to 360. Not really expecting it to go down there, but. So here was kind of the breakout. So you can see it topped out in the after hours 364, came in, and then this is kind of where we got involved on this break here in the trend. So you can see in the pre-market, hasn't been below 372. So profit taking, the shakeout would be a few points below this, right on the open, and then taking out of this 377. Brings it up to 379, 380. If I see a little bit of trouble there, I would go for a quick short. Try to capture 4 or 5 points of downside from there. In and out, very active right on the open, and then see if it trends a little bit later. It's possible it could do a rip your face off squeeze right on the open, but I'm not banking on that fact.